I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sauce Indian style. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a base like tomato puree, along with aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Don't forget fresh ginger and garlic paste for that authentic Indian kick. We'll combine these elements to create a sauce that's both familiar and exciting, perfect for grilling or marinating your favorite meats and vegetables. To begin, heat a pan with a touch of oil. Sauté 1 tablespoon of finely minced ginger and garlic until golden and aromatic. Next, introduce your dry spices, 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Stir these for about 30 seconds to release their flavors. This aromatic foundation is crucial for building the depth of your Indian-style barbecue sauce, setting it apart from traditional recipes. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour in your tomato puree, brown sugar, and apple cider vinegar. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. For a smoother consistency, you can add about 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. Let the sauce simmer gently on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Once your sauce has thickened and the flavors have fully developed, taste and adjust as needed. You might want to add a little more brown sugar for sweetness, a splash of vinegar for tang, or a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra heat. This versatile Indian-style barbecue sauce is now ready to elevate your grilled dishes. For the leak-proof containers mentioned and other great deals, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.